Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript conditional ternary operator. This operator works as like if-else condition. Let's see the main difference between if-else condition and ternary condition. Ternary operator also have a condition, and as you know, all the condition have two results, true either false. And we can run different statements according to result. For true, we can run different statement, and for false, we can run another statement. So it's pretty similar with if-else condition. So let's see how we can type it in JavaScript. At first, you need to create a condition, and you don't need to type if for that. You can use round braces also. Then you need to use question mark sign. And if your condition is true, then it run this first part. And if your condition written false, and then after colon, you need to pass the false statement. So as you can see, it's act like if-else condition, but it's not look like if-else condition. And the main difference between ternary operator and if-else condition is, you cannot use multiple condition in this statement. In our if condition using else if, we can set multiple condition, but in ternary operator, basically we pass one condition. So let's see an example how it's work. Here you can see we have total two variables, var a and var v. And also you can notice we assign a value in our a variable, but we just declare b variable. So let's see how we can use it with ternary operator. As you can see, if a greater than 15, then we assign b value true. Otherwise, if this condition written false, in that case, we assign b value false. And as you can see, 20 is greater than 15. That's why it's going to assign true value in our v variable. And then we can print it as like normal value. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how it's work. So here you can see side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code Editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created a HTML document named index.html. So as usual, I'm going to take a variable var a assigned with 25. And then I'm going to use ternary operator. Then inside the parentheses, then inside the round braces, I'm going to type a equal to 25. And as I told you, if we use ternary operator, we need to use question mark sign. And also, I'm going to declare a variable. So here, I'm going to type var b. Then semicolon to end this line. And here I'm going to pass b. So, if a value is equal to 25, then I want to assign true in our v variable. So, equal to, I'm going to type true. And if the condition is not true, then I want to assign false in our b variable. So before create the else part, we need to use colon b assign with false. Then semicolon to end this line. And now I want to print this v value in our console. So here I'm going to type console dot log inside the parenthesis b. Then semicolon to end this line. So, if I save this file, you can see in my console section, it's written true. But if I pass 55 here and then save this file, now you can see it's written false. Not only that, also we can reduce more character from this line. For that, I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous one. And here, I'm going to reduce b and equal to sign. As you can see, we already declared v value. And here, I want to assign a value in our b variable. So, here I'm going to type b equal to, and I use this ternary operator to assign the value. So if I save this file, as you can see, it's also written false. And if I pass 55 here, and then save this file, also you can see it's written true. It's mean, according to condition, it's written true. And I want to assign this true value in our v variable. You can use any comparison operator here. Also you can use logical AND or logical OR operator. So as you can see how we create a condition in a single line. But if we use if condition, for that we need to type multiple lines. Not only that, we also pass a message with that. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type inside the double quotes, value is And then I'm going to use concatenation operator, plus sign. And as I told you, these round braces are optional for ternary operator. So I'm going to remove this one from this place and use it after false. So if I save this file, now you can see it's written value is true. So according to the condition, it's written the value. You can create any type of condition using operators. You can use greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to sign, etc. Just you need to remember you cannot pass multiple statements in this place. So I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.